The 78 Indy Pace car and 3100 are almost done. Both of them are in the paint shop. We went down there a couple weeks ago, and the suspension for the 78 got either replaced, repowder coated, or cleaned up. The 3100 found a number of problems wrong with it, but we'll do that for another video. Today what I wanted to do is focus on organizing, fill you guys in on what's been going on, give you a couple stable updates, and later on we'll do some cleanup of some cars. Start getting some of these cars out of the way. I like springtime in the toy box.
Why don't we keep your two over here, and I'll take 6 of mine over there.
Okay. Oh, it's my Z06. Badass that 01 is. Okay, this I do want to do it for another video, but I'll at least start her up for you guys. I've only got like 30 seconds experience with this car so far.
What do you got in her? Just one minute.
I like autos. Okay, now we need to do some organizing, and then I'll show you guys what we're gonna do next. This whole cabinetry set that was in, what was the casino? Or no, that was in my house. This was in the casino. This is going back over to the mini box. And the other one is gonna come right here, which will be nice because they don't have that huge cabinet for towels, because we have a lot of towels. All that crap. Hey, it's been about 3 hours since I picked up the camera last. I'm just scrubbing the car side of the toy box. Hopefully you can hear me. We got this cabinet that were right here, full of, you guys probably don't know, but a bunch of stuff. We got it moved over on this side, and we got this whole wash bay filled now with lawn care stuff. So all these cabinets here, we're right here, and these cabinets are on the other side of the wall. So we slimmed this down a little bit. This is where the scrubber is going to be, because it always is kind of tight right there. Check this out. We added some more slot machines. We're going to scrub over there, yeah. Are they ready for it?
Well, I mean, you can start doing it so we can move the tables and chairs.
Alright. But it's coming along. So all the Corvettes that were over here are going to be over there, and this will be, I guess, more staging. I'll put the new staying right there, which, yes, I'll make a video. I think I said that already, but that'll be for another video. Today was just spring cleaning. I didn't realize how much of a chore this was. Check this out too. All this got organized. Those are all the bins for each car. All right, I think we're just about done for the day. We gotta bring a bunch of the Corvettes over to the mini box now that the scrubber finally started working. Damn thing, it's like one of those things, if you don't use it for a while and it just sits there, even though it's in a trickle charge, it just dies. All right, we're gonna fill this up with some vets. Recording? This is recording. Whoops.
One time was the
Yeah. I forgot this camera's recording, so it's still really full, but this whole side is nice and open. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, wash up the Dark Horse, as well as a few other cars. So in this video here, as always, I do appreciate watching. See you in the next one. Thanks.